Have you ever wondered what the future of AI and language models holds? What if there was a model that could understand and generate language, but also interpret images and understand the world in a more comprehensive way? Well, let me introduce you to the marvel that is WuDao 2.0. Born at the Beijing Academy of Artificial Intelligence, this is no ordinary language model we're dealing with. It's a true titan, a game-changer in the realm of artificial intelligence and language comprehension. WuDao 2.0 is a multi-talented maestro, a language chameleon, and a visual virtuoso all rolled into one. It's got the brains, the brawn, and the beauty, boasting a staggering 1.75 trillion parameters, and it's multilingual too. But that's not all. It's also a whiz at processing images and integrating them into its understanding of the world. Now, you might be asking, what makes WuDao 2.0 so special? Let's dive in and find out. Meet WuDao 2.0, the brainchild of the Beijing Academy of Artificial Intelligence. This isn't your typical language model. It's a powerhouse, packing some serious punch in the realm of language processing and understanding. When it comes to size, WuDao 2.0 doesn't skimp. With a staggering 1.75 trillion parameters, it's no slouch. This language model has the brainpower to take on the most complex tasks and deliver comprehensive outputs. It's like a supercomputer that's been trained to think, analyze, and understand language on a level that no other model can match. But WuDao 2.0 isn't just about brute force. It's also a language chameleon. Whether you're rapping in Chinese or waxing poetic in English, this model has got you covered. Its multilingual capabilities allow it to handle information in both languages, opening up a universe of possibilities for language processing. And it doesn't stop there. WuDao 2.0 is also a visual maestro. From processing imagery to integrating it seamlessly into its understanding of the world, this model is all about breaking down the barriers between text and visuals. It's a language model that can see, not just read. But what makes WuDao 2.0 a real standout is its versatility. Need a quick summary of a long essay? It's on it. Stuck on a complex translation? Consider it done. Searching for some poetic inspiration? Look no further. WuDao 2.0 is a true taskmaster. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Access to WuDao 2.0 can be a bit tricky, with limited public availability. And while it's bilingual, it's got a soft spot for the Chinese language and market. So, if you want to unlock its full potential, you might need to brush up on your Mandarin. And remember, the world of language models is fast-paced. WuDao 2.0 might be a heavyweight now, but keep your eyes peeled for new challengers and advancements on the horizon. So, with all these impressive features, what impact does WuDao 2.0 have on the AI landscape? WuDao 2.0 is a force to be reckoned with in the world of language models, particularly in the bustling streets of China. This AI titan is more than just a language model. It's a game changer. With its colossal parameter count of 1.75 trillion, it's breaking down barriers, redefining what's possible in the realm of AI. This isn't about making machines mimic human language anymore. It's about empowering them to understand, process, and generate language with a degree of finesse that was merely a dream just a few years ago. But WuDao 2.0 isn't stopping there. Its ability to process and integrate visual information is setting the stage for an AI future where text and imagery are not two separate entities, but one seamless whole. This is just the beginning. As WuDao 2.0 continues to evolve and grow, it's opening doors for future advancements that could revolutionize the AI landscape. With WuDao 2.0, we're not just looking at the future of AI and language models, we're living it.